So this is an interior video of the Forest River FR3 with everything fully extended. You have the queen size bed with the kick out on the couch. You have the U-shaped dinette set. You have the kitchen area. 3-burner range with the oven, microwave, TV with storage behind the TV, sink. Got the captain's chairs area. Like I posted in my ad, there is a little bit of fraying on the seats, but no holes. I found from talking with other Forest River owners, this is kind of typical of this upholstery. Forest River upgraded it in their other models. We've got the above bunk bed here. This drops down and will sleep 2 people. You've got storage above. We've got storage below each of these. I've actually installed some drawers that will actually pull out, make it easier to get so you don't need to take the cushions off each time. You have a nice full-size shower. I'm 6 foot and there's plenty of room inside this shower. Here's your command center. You can control all your water, the ins and outs of the slide outs. This is where you turn on the generator. So pretty much all your controls are right here. Here's the separate toilet from the shower, which is nice because if someone's showering, you'll still use the toilet. All of the roof vents have been added to max flow fans, which really helps circulate the air, keep the motorhome cool. Here's your back bunkhouse area. It's got a full king size bed. You've got storage above the bed. And you've got 2 closets in this area. You've got 5 drawers underneath. And then you have the TV with storage behind the TV area. And here's a back view, fully opened. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. Direct email on my advertising or hit the link in the RV Trader to send an email.